Green. Yellow. Green. Pink. Yellow. Pink. Pink. Yellow. Yellow. Orange. Pink. Green. Orange. Pink. Yellow. Orange.
Jai Gurudev, my name is Gamaya and I'm from Bangalore. I'm from Team Ganga. I would like to talk about my experience in Vidyarambh Gurukula. I am so grateful that I'm part of this session, and I would like to thank all the acharyas, mainly Guruji, for organizing this session. I'm grateful for Guruji for teaching me leadership skills, how to respecting parents, how to avoid mobile addiction, and how being disciplined. And I'm so grateful to be a part of this session. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. I'm really grateful that this event was organized by Guruji, and also to all the acharyas here who have been be the guiding path for our children in this great journey of life. I think these are very valuable lessons what they are learning here. We don't get this education anywhere else. Our normal education doesn't really teach all the values what the Gurukula is teaching here. So we're grateful that we are part of this and our child is part of this. We have seen how the kids have learned here and really adding value to their own life. I'm sure our daughter will also be able to find purpose and the right path for her life. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Jai.
Alphabet A.
Is it right?
Ganesha.
Right?
Orange.
Right? Good, very good. Then use the sentence mark.
Banana.
Right?